Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Volatility 75 Index. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Volatility 75 Index is an index that measures the volatility of the most prominent stock market index in the world, namely the S&P 500. The index has a value that ranges between 0 and 100. It can be interpreted in a way where a low number means low volatility, whereas a high number means higher volatility. A reading below 30 indicates that markets are calm, whereas one below 20 indicates a complacent market. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Forex brokers with Volatility 75 Index can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Volatility 75 Index. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Hot Forex. Hot Forex is the brand name of IFC Markets Limited, and in addition to providing world-class trading solutions, is strictly regulated, with a great emphasis placed on ensuring the safety and security of clients' funds in the best ways possible. Regulated and authorized with the FCA, the CYSEC, the DFSA, and the FSCA, Hot Forex specializes in trading through Forex, metals, energies, indices, and shares. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, premium, zero spread, auto, HF copy, and swap-free accounts, with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, a large number of simultaneous open orders, 24 hours, 6 days a week customer support, and more. Hot Forex also provides their very own educational panels, which cover in-depth Forex trading educational videos, beginner courses, tutorials in platform functionality, a featured trading podcast, as well as a number of live webinars, which you can sign up to for a more personal educational experience with Hot Forex. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have IFC Markets. IFC Markets was founded in 2006 and has been focused on the development and implementation of innovative approaches to trading. IFC Markets provides its services to over 120,000 clients and specializes in trading through Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, ETFs, indices, and CFDs on cryptocurrency futures. Platforms are available on NetTradeX, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 both have web-based browser application support. Accounts are available on NetTradeX Standard, Beginner, and Demo Fixed and Floating accounts. MetaTrader 4 Standard Fixed, Micro Fixed, and Demo accounts, and MetaTrader 5 Standard Floating, Micro Floating, and Demo Floating accounts, with leverage of up to 1 to 400, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits on beginner accounts, and more. IFC Markets also provides their very own educational resource center, which provides an introduction to Forex trading, covering everything beginners need to know about platform functionality, analysis, and more. They also provide a variety of featured video tutorials, research tools like live market data, technical analysis, an economic calendar, auto chartist analysis, and more for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational material with IFC Markets. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online fully regulated financial broker, was founded in 2010, is regulated and supervised by reputable organizations, with its head office located in Australia. This broker accommodates various levels of traders. Whether you are experienced or new to trading, you will have the option to trade in over 100 different market instruments and over 70 currency pairs. Pepperstone specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts, with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a variety of helpful trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, as well as their very own beginner's guides, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Pepperstone. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Volatility 75 index, we have IFC Markets. IFC Markets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. IFC Markets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. IFC Markets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with IFC Markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Volatility 75 Index on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.